Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to recover CouchSurfing account password. Now to do that, first thing is open the application, tap open the application, and here on the application home page you need to tap on login on the top right, tap that. Now once you're at the login screen, you need to tap on forgot password to begin the recovery process. Tap that. This will open the web page in Chrome or any other browser that you have been using. Here you need to type in the email address or the username of your CouchSurfing account. I'm going to type in my email address, then tap on send me reset instruction. Now you need to go and check your mail at first. So go and check out your mail. There's the CouchSurfing mail on top. Tap upon that, and this is the mail for the resetting your password. Tap on change your password option. Once you tap that, you will be able to provide a new password for the account. Type in the new password over here. Retype the same password, then tap on change password. With that, your account recovery process is completed and you have changed the password for the account. Now tap on login on the top right once again, then tap in your email address and then you type in the new updated password. Tap on login and this will get you logged in into the account right away. So this is the way how you can recover the CouchSurfing account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.